Let's look at what's happened in Washington. These huge corporations that poison our drinking water, foul our air, lay waste to our lands, have discovered that instead of trying to influence government, better to simply become government. And with a little help from a friend in a very high place, they've done just that. Over 100 top environmental posts have been passed out to representatives of polluting industries. Can you fathom that, Judge?
Don't you be asking me to fathom. I am not a fathomer.
Almost every agency responsible for protecting America from pollution is now being headed up by somebody from the pollution industry. The fix is in.
How does this involve Stanford University?
It involves a need in this country for independent, unbiased, uncorrupted environmental research. And since it's obviously not coming from Washington, academia is our best, if not our only hope, and now it too is being co-opted by big pollution. The facts are that the oil industry has systematically campaigned to create doubt as to the very existence of global warming, pumping millions of dollars into think tanks, consumer groups, media outlets, religious and civic organizations, every penny aimed at diffusing the concern over climate change. Now, they're privatizing university research. Berkeley, Princeton, now Stanford. Do we truly want our universities, the breeding grounds for tomorrow's leaders, innovators, visionaries? Do we truly want them climbing into bed with the oil companies?
Strange bedfellows.
Lorraine, stop it. Your Honor, at some point, a little common sense has to prevail in this country. We've started a war, in part, for oil, one we may never get out of in our lifetime. Of all the industrialized nations in the world, we're the biggest contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, and we do the least about it. We thumb our nose at the Kyoto Treaty. Our government actually censors scientific reports from the EPA and others to edit out little findings they don't like. Even the Democratic presidential hopefuls don't talk about this because they don't want to jeopardize their campaign contributions from big oil, big politics. Do we all really intend to sit quietly as they infiltrate vital academic research? Is that what we want? Is that who we are?